Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this May Scrawlr box. Okay, let's see what's in the box. We've got a lovely sticker in purple colors. Sweet, black currant and licorice. That sounds really nice. Then we've got the description. Liquid white colored pencil. Interesting. Never worked with that. A line maker in black by Durband. Let's have a look. A brush. It's a very fine brush, very thin. Exclusive color selection for Scrawlr box. So what's in it? Posca. I like Posca. I bought loads of Posca pens. Hi Bobby. Okay, let's open it like this. Ooh. Let's have a look. How does this go out? So, I have no idea how these are different from other pencils. Quite interesting color selection. Let's see what the artwork is like and the Scrawlr zine. So, you have to wait a second, Bob. My cat wants to get cuddled when she eats, so she's begging me now. So I have to make this real quick. This is from last month. I certainly like these colors. And this is this month's artist. Safana is her name. Her or his name, I'm not quite sure. This is really beautiful, isn't it? Oh, and we also have a pad. Obviously, we have to draw into something. This is an A5 Cartridge Pad by Goldline, Clairefontaine. 16 sheets. Reasonably thick. I will test these pencils, pens and liquid white color pencil. It's going to be interesting to work with. These Posca colored pencils are made with wax and oil, and they can be used on different surfaces and have a matte finish. Each pencil retails at £2.50, which makes it £15 for the 6 pencils. This Zahn size 2 pony hair brush retails at £1.29. The Pearl Burnish Liquid White is a liquid pencil made by featured artist Safana. It can be used for highlighting and layering effects to a drawing. The retail price for this small bottle of 3 ml fluid is £3.60. This Derwent Line Maker is a 0.5 black pen that has fast drying ink and retails at £2.80. This gold line A5 cartridge pad has 16 sheets of 120 GSM paper. It retails at £3.25. The total value of this box comes to £25.94. I'm testing the colored pencils first. Here I am using the Durban line maker. It produces a fine line and is nice to write and draw with. And here I am trying the white liquid pencil. It doesn't work very well with this brush. The brush has no tip. It looks like it's just been cut off. According to the description, you can layer color on top of the liquid, which I'm trying here. I'm not sure if you can actually see the white coming through. The theme of this month's challenge was Secret Garden. This is a drawing by featured artist Safana, who specializes in working with colored pencils. According to the description, she also created the white liquid pencil that came in the box. Her drawing looks really nice. I have zero experience in drawing with colored pencils, so working with this medium was new to me. For this challenge I just wanted to draw purple flowers, so I found a few images on Pixabay to work with. For my first drawing I only used the blue-green, lilac and light orange. I used a pencil for the outline and only used the fine liner for my signature. For my second drawing I used the same colors plus the blue for the background and a little bit of the liquid pencil. I found the brush not great to work with as it doesn't form a tip. It's better to use a fine brush with a nice tip. I think I will have to play more with these pencils to get used to them. They feel nice and are easy to sharpen without breaking. I haven't tested them on other surfaces. I like the content of this month's box, but I'm not so sure about the liquid pencil and I need to use it more often. The brush was disappointing. The line maker is another great addition to my growing fine liner collection. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. If you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching and happy painting. Until next time.